Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for tuning in to a arts and crafts style episode. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Christmas balls for your Christmas show. If you have something coming up, whether it be for a wedding reception or a graduation party or a birthday, this can be something you can use to decorate the interior of your house, and it literally costs about an extra 10 cents per strand of lights. It's very cheap. So basically what we have here, or you can do it for outside in your animated Christmas light show, but basically what you have here is a regular strand of LEDs, and we make them into a ball. You can plug them in. If you have a ceiling outlet, these work out great in those. But basically all you have to do, and I would plug them in right now, but they tend to screw with my camera lens, and it makes everything else out of focus except for the LEDs. So here at the very end, or actually right now, because it won't screw this portion of the video up, I'll put a little video up of what these things look like. But basically it's like super simple. Got a strand here, and these are holiday time. These are just run-of-the-mill Walmart LED mini lights. So you got your hand, you got your lights, you wrap it around 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You always want to make sure that the female end is what you start with, because you need the outlet to plug into. So you got 10 times around your hand. Take your hand out and you wrap it the other way. So we went this way, now I'm going to go this way. 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you just circle it around. Make sure you get in between the mini lights, because that'll act as kind of a, oh, not glue, but a support system, until you get the desired length left that you want. However long you want these to hang. If you want them to hang just about 8 inches, do that. If you want them to hang longer, you can do that. But anyway, when you get to the length you want, and you take some zip ties, just run-of-the-mill zip ties. And if you're curious, these are cable ties, 8 inches, or 20 centimeters, but 8 inches for us here in America. You're gonna take 2. And if you're doing indoor, 2 is all you need. And you take it, you always want to wrap it around your cord length the opposite way. Wrap it around there. You zip tie it in. Get it nice and decently tight. It doesn't have to squeeze anything down. Snip off the extra end, and bama, Christmas ball of lights. Now, if you're going to hang these outside for an animated Christmas light show or for a static Christmas display, for these mini Christmas lights, I recommend doing 2 times, just because you're going to get wind, and they're going to, if you have them up against the side of the house, they're going to bang on the house, because they're going to swing. If you have them in a tree, the limbs will get to them, and it's just better that they won't come on. I haven't had any yet come unwound, but just for an added security, whatever, we have the zip tie going this way. So we're going to do it the other way as well. And see how these things cost like 4 cents a piece. It's not that big of a deal. And we cut that end off, and bam, now they're rated for outdoors. How easy is that? Show you again real quick. 10 times around your hand. 1, 2. It's a lot noisy, I apologize. There we go, bama. All right, start over here for you. 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Take your hand out. You're gonna go, we went this way. We're gonna go this way now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times. Now we're just gonna kind of go around in a circle. Get the cord in between some of the mini lights. It'll act as a stabilization for the cord, so it won't come unwound. Point is that when you wrap them around the individual mini lights, they'll stay. So we got the 2 zip ties. Put those in just a little bit. You just want to get them enough to where they're already locked. You don't have to put them on very, very far. That's good right there. Again, I'm going to wrap the cord, the loose cord. Oh, put it on backwards. There we go. Bama. Cut off the end without cutting the wire. Obviously you don't want to cut the wire or you just ruin the strand of lights. Bam! Now we have another. And you can make this again, however long or short you want. And these are super triple simple to make, obviously, because I just did it for you. And there's some other videos out there about how to make balls of light that are bigger, where you use chicken wire and some other things out there. But these are very obviously simple. You can do them in a pinch. If it's something that you have a birthday party or something coming up, or wedding reception, or something where you would need some indoor decorations quickly, if you have Christmas lights and zip ties and a pair of scissors, you're set. So yeah, so today's Crestline shout out. And again, we're doing a reindeer naming competition for our brand new reindeer mascot on our Facebook and on our Instagram page. So get involved with that. The winner is going to receive some firecracker lights, going to receive a Starburst silver lighted branches, t-shirt, one of our metal koozies that we got the old elf on the shelf in right here. Whatever metal koozies that we put our pit pop or whatever in. But yeah, go to our Patreon page or our Facebook page and get into that naming competition. And that's whatever the name of the mascot we go with, that's what we're going to use for our shout out. So if it's Ernie, it'll be the Ernie shout out or whatever. So right now, Crestline shout out. But anyway, today's shout out is going to go to, I had it all queued up, but William, I'm gonna say Calder, William Calder. William commented on our Walmart Holiday Time Christmas lights versus water episode where we tried these out at. And he is switching from an incandescent show to an LED show. So William, for watching this episode, when you do switch to an LED, this is something else that you can do with those lights that we talked about. So that's something else there for you. If you do wind up using these light balls for be it a party or reception or for your Christmas light show, be sure to take a picture of it and email it to me at christmasoncrestline@gmail.com, and I'll put it in a future episode. Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next episode, guys.